is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. Thank you so much for deciding to spend some time with me on today. I really appreciate it. Well, the reason for this video is that time of the month when we open up our Target beauty box. Okay, now I apologize in advance. This one is going to be a little bit longer than normal. Why? Because there are 2 boxes this month. Okay, and so for those of you who this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. For those of you who are returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. Now, to those of you who are not currently subscribed to this station, to this channel, hit that subscribe button right there. Just go ahead and tap the button. And while you're in that general area, hit the bell too, so you'll be the first to find out each and every time I upload a new video. Okay, so we're going to jump right in and find out what's in this box. Now, one of them is rather heavy. The other one is a little light. So let's start there. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with I'm opening it right now with you. For those of you who are not familiar with the Target Beauty Box, it is $7 per month. And they give you sample and deluxe sizes of some of their current faves. So they want to see if they will become some of your faves. All right. Now, I really enjoy this box because in addition to the items that are enclosed, they also give you a $3 off any beauty purchase, either in the store or online, and I believe the purchase has to be for $15 or more, and you can take that $3 off. So right off the bat, you're already saving money. Okay, now it is not a subscription box, so you have to go in each month and order it, and it currently can only be purchased online. So let's just jump right in. So I'm gathering this box has something to do with the eyes. I know what gave it away, right? These eyes all over the box. And it is the fall box, so it does have some beautiful fall colors. All right. Uh-oh, I see some lips on there. They're very, very sporadic and in the corner. See it? In the corner only. Okay, so as I open up the box, of course there is a description card on the inside. It says, "Hello, bright eyes. Feeling tired? What a drag. Looking it too? Oh God, ditto. Luckily, a few hero products are all it takes to make you look beautifully bright and doe-eyed without even having to hit the snooze." Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll make your peepers pop like never before. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. And that's this card right here with that beautiful brown orange color. I'm even loving this color of paper. That's gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open it right up. Oh, okay. You know, big things come in small packages, I hear. So this is pretty good. So let's just check the description card and see what's enclosed. All right, now, the first product that we have is by Bosch & Long. Okay, and this is the Lumify Eye Drop. Okay, there you go, right there. And it says, reduces redness in 60 seconds and provides lasting relief for up to 8 hours, so eyes appear whiter and brighter. Okay, nice. All right, and what I will do is I'll get the prices for you and I will list them below, okay, so that you can, so you'll know exactly what the cost is. All right, so that's item number 1. Then the next item is, alrighty then, by CoverGirl. It says Get in Line Liquid Eyeliner, okay, and it says contour grip handle combined with an ultra fine tip provides perfect precision for the ultimate eye widening wing. Okay, now this is a 0.08 fluid ounce size. I'm going to check and see if this is actually considered a full-size product or not. Okay, and this is the Get in Line Liquid Liner by CoverGirl. Okay, now it does kind of show here on the side that it does draw a fine line, or that you can draw a fine line. Okay, so that is item number 2. Item number 3, nice, is a Sonia Kashuk eye brush. It says this is the Essential Brush, Brow, and Spoolie. Okay, it says 2-in-1 brush with an angled tip and spoolie is ideal for creating a defined arch that helps open up the areas around your eye. Okay, it says spoolie can also be used to brush out clumps of mascara on lashes for separation and extra fullness. Okay, Sonia Kashuk has very nice brushes anyway, and I like the fact that it does come in this really nice case. Actually, it's just the tip covers. Okay, so here's the brush and the spoolie. Okay, I don't know how long I'll get to keep this. I'm pretty sure my daughter will be jacking me. I'm pretty sure of it. So that's item number 3. Item number 4, Lash Sensational Mascara Mini, and this is by Maybelline. Okay, this one is a nice travel size, very nice travel size, and this one is in the color Very Black, and it says exclusive brush with 10 layers of bristles, volumizes lashes from root to tip for a full fan effect that enhances, lifts, and fullness. Okay. All right. Do I want to open this? You know I really don't. But so we can see. I guess this will be the next. Oh. Okay. Look at the bristles on this one. You see that? Okay, so this one is our mascara mini and item number 4. And the final item that we have, it's a mask, and it says Acure Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogel Mask. Alrighty then, that was a mouthful. And it says Cucumber and Silk Tree Age Performance. 100% vegan, 0% questionable. Okay? The back says health is beautiful. How about that? So these are the contents of box number 1 in the October Target Beauty box. Okay, so this is box number 1, and we're going to go ahead and move right into box number 2. Okay, this one is beautiful as well. It's got that camouflage look to it. Okay, and this is beauty number 2, and this one says Hello Autumn Groove. All right, and it says pumpkin spice lattes, apple picking, Halloween. Ladies, the season is changing, and so are our beauty go-tos. Looking for a moisturizer that'll help erase the last trace of uneven summer skin? We've got you covered. Searching for hair products that restore sun-damaged strands? Check. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll give you your autumn groove back stats. Okay? Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions on Target.com. Plus, you can share with them hashtag Target Beauty or hashtag Target Beauty box hashtags. Okay, this box is the heavier of the two, and yes, it is full. Okay, so let's just jump right in and see what's in this box. Okay, and item number 1 is the Tom's Natural Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste. It says safe for enamel. Clinically proven whitening technology helps prevent tartar buildup. And this is in the flavor Clean Mint. Okay, this is product number 1. Then we have Olay Total Effects Whips. Okay, here we go. All right, their packaging is always so pretty. Oh, and it smells amazing. Okay, 7 skin benefits in 1. Actively replenishes nourishing moisture. Even skin tone appearance. Enhances brightness. Visibly smooths fine lines and wrinkles. Minimizes the look of pores. Restores firmness. And visibly reduces dark spots. Okay? Even the outer packaging is nice. Okay, so that's item number 2. This is the box that it comes in. All right. Now, item number 3 is... Okay, they're really trying to help us out this month because this is another makeup melt. All right, and this one is by the company Bliss. Now, I'm sorry, I know it's going to kind of wash it out a little bit because it's white packaging with these bright lights, okay? Well, nonetheless, this is by the company Bliss, and it's called Makeup Melt Dry or Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower, okay? Unique milky jelly form and soothing rose flower work gently yet effectively to leave skin clean, clear, and silky soft. Okay, and once again, I will make sure that I check the prices on these items and I will list them below. The next product we have is by the company Cetaphil. Okay, it says Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, superior system of extra strength emollients and humectants, bind water to skin and prevent moisture loss so skin stays healthy and hydrated. Okay, now I'm already a fan of Cetaphil anyway. So, oh, and I love the fact that every single item has come sealed. See? Sealed, sealed, sealed. Alrighty. Then we have a package deal for the last, we're going to say 2 items. Alright, and this is the Love Beauty and Planet. Okay, now these have grippers on the top. Alright, now the reason these are here, Target puts them on all of their travel size packages because it keeps it from leaking all over the place. All right, so we're just going to leave it on there and we're going to talk about it. Okay, these well protected packages right here are the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, and the shampoo is infused with nourishing organic coconut water and is specially formulated to rejuvenate fine hair, restoring bounce, volume, and vitality. The conditioner says coconut water and rich mimosa flower moisturize hair, giving tresses a luxurious boost of strength and shine. Now this is the contents of the second box for the month of October, the Target Beauty Box. Okay, now they're going to help us get it together for the fall season that is coming in full swing. Okay, so once again, this is the Target Beauty Box. It goes for $7 per month. Okay, and it does come with a coupon so that you can get $3 off any of the products in the beauty section. So even if you have a favorite, because this hasn't become your favorite yet, you can take it and try it out and see if you like it. Okay, so this is the contents of the October box. All right, now I do want to tell you thank you so much for spending time with me on today and checking out the Target Beauty Boxes for the month of October. Now, always remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Thank you so much for spending time with me on today. And until next time,